Hey, have you got an old device and wanted to install Snapchat, Twitter, and you can't? Here's the solution. You got this site from 3U Tools. You download the app from there. You install from here. You have to insert your iCloud account. Pretty simple. I'll blur the image for you not to see my account. You have to insert the password. They say this is safe and you can unpin the account after. We have just to click OK to pin the account. OK. Now we install Snapchat. It will download a version, probably an older version of Snapchat. You just have to wait the app to finish on 3U Tools. Now that is finished, we just have to go to the iPhone. Then we click right here, go to purchase, to not install on this iPhone, and there you go, your Snapchat. Now just download, let it install like it will do on usual. If you had on like on your normal iOS, it will take some moments. I can show you a few more apps here, like Twitter. This doesn't work on iPhone 5, by the way. That's iPhone 5 right there. A lot of cool apps here. You can go to other apps like popular, most rank. Now Snapchat is installed here. I'll just click to show you. Yes, it's an older version. You have to log in. By the way, sub. See you later.